I'm Dr. Muhammad Naeem, Associate Dean at UKMC College. In terms of employability, how we prepare our student for employability, like as I said, lot of opportunity during the course. We have some group work. The purpose of the group work to prepare our student how to work within a team. That would be helpful for them in the future. That what we are focusing on. Instead, just focusing on to do work on their assignment, we also prepare, encourage them how to do work in collaboration to achieve the common objective. Additionally, we're parallelly working on their confidence, communication level. That would be helpful for them at later stage for the employability. Apart from this, we also offering some workshops within which is embedded within their course for, let's say, networking, or they can create their own network while they are here at college. That would be helpful later on to share opportunity with each other. Some of the courses they have very direct path like public health. There's a shortage of workforce in NHS and other health organizations. This course got very good potential for the student. Once they finish their course, straight they will go to the employability. But we can say that it's not that much directly the student they can go. What we do and what they learn while they are at the institute. So in terms of public health, let's say, what are the hurdles they're going to face once they finish their degrees, what are the industrial requirements, what are the advanced skills are required in the industry once they will apply for jobs after completion of this course. So that's what we offer them additionally at UKMC College to prepare them for the employability.